Marcus Trojo has been elected as the next president of which bank? Asian Development Bank, World Bank, New Development Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Here the correct answer is New Development Bank. So Marcus Trojo has been elected as the next president of the New Development Bank, and he will take charge of the president of New Development Bank from 7th of July 2020. And he is from Brazil. Brazil capital is Brasilia, and Jair Bolsonaro is the president for this SAM. And who is the current president of for the National New Development Bank? It's a KB Kamath. So KB Kamath is the current president of New Development Bank. But from the 7th of July 2020, the new chairman will be Marcus Trojo of New Development Bank. And New Development Bank is also called the BRICS Bank. BRICS Bank. Which country comes under the BRICS? So the country which comes under the BRICS is Brazil, Russia, India, China, and one more, South Africa. And the headquarters of BRICS, that means the New Development Bank, you will find in Shanghai in China. And remember one more thing, that Anil Kishore has elected is the next vice president of the New Development Bank. You have to remember this also. And Asian Development Bank, Asian Development headquarters you will find in Manila, which is capital of Philippines. And Masatsugu Asakawa is the current president for this time, and he is from Japan, and Japan capital is Tokyo. And World Bank headquarters you will find in Washington DC, and David Malpass is the president for this time. And Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank headquarters you will find in Shanghai in China, and Jin Likan is the person for this time. And New Development Bank, I have told you, it's Kamath is the current president for this time. The Ichabod, it's a book is written by winner. It's J.K. Rowling. So this book is written by J.K. Rowling. J.K. Rowling, you know very well. She is a British author, and she has written also the Harry Potter. That means she is also the author of Harry Potter. Harry Potter is the best-selling books of J.K. Rowling, and it has a 10 parts. And it is a movie also, and I have watched all the part of the movie. That means the series of Harry Potter, such as Harry Potter and the Blood Prince, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secret, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fires, etc. And J.K. Rowling has written this book, and he will release this book online for free for the children during this lockdown period. And it's a story about truth and abuse of the power. And here the correct answer is J.K. Rowling, who has written this book, Ichabod. S.N. Rajeshwari has been selected as the chairman and managing director of which bank? Correct answer is Oriental Insurance Bank. So S.N. Rajeshwari has been selected as the chairman and managing director of Oriental Insurance Company by the Bank Board of Bureau, and she will replace A.V. Girja Kumar. So who is the current chairman for this time? It's A.V. Girja Kumar, and he will retire this month after reaching 60. And Oriental Insurance Company headquarters you will find in New Delhi. It is founded on 12 September 1947. And Bank Board of Bureau, its headquarters you will find in Mumbai. And who is the chairman for this time? It's Bhanu Pratap Sharma. So here the correct answer is Oriental Insurance Bank, whose chairman will be S.N. Rajeshwari. Seshan Madhushanka has been suspended from all forms of cricket. He belongs to which country? Correct answer is Sri Lanka. So he belongs from the Sri Lanka country, and Sri Lanka, he is a fast bowler of Sri Lanka. So Sri Lanka fast bowler Seshan Madhushanka has been suspended from all forms of cricket with the immediate effect. For what? For alleged possession of heroin, that means drugs. And the decision to suspend will stand until the board conducts a full inquiry of this matter. And what is the capital of Sri Lanka? It is Javardhan Purekotte, and Gotabaya Rajapaksa is the president, and Mahinda Rajapaksa is the prime minister for this time, and both are brothers. And here the current answer is Seshan Madhushanka. He belongs from the Sri Lanka, has been suspended from the all forms of cricket. Karnataka State Mango Department and Marketing Department has signed a MAU, that means Memorandum of Understanding, with which online platforms? Correct answer is Flipkart. So Flipkart has signed a memorandum of understanding with the Karnataka State Mango Department and Mango Corporation. For what? To empower the mango farmers to sell their products online. And as a part of MAU, Flipkart will give its marketplace platforms to the Mango Board Farmers Producer Association or vendors, cultivators and dealers by selecting them on the platforms. And Flipkart headquarters you will find in Bengaluru. And who is the CEO for this time? It's a Kalyan Krishnamurthy for the CEO for the Flipkart. Amazon, it's a Jeff Bezos, and Paytm, its founder and CEO, it's Vijay Shekhar Sharma. And here the correct answer is Flipkart and Karnataka State Department and Marketing Department both has signed an MAU for the Mango Board farmers. Which IT institution has a partner with the University of North Texas and centered to develop a magnesium alloy to replace the steel and aluminum? had the credit Sri IIT Madras. So IIT Madras, Indian Institute of Technology Madras, has partnered with the University of North Texas and Central State Army Lab and have developed a magnesium alloy to replace the steel and aluminum in the automobile industry to reduce the carbon footprints and increase fuel efficiency. So had the correct answer is IIT Madras, and IIT Madras has made something India's first standing wheelchair, which is called Arise. It's a standing wheelchair, and according to the NIRF ranking, that means the National Institution of Ranking Frameworks, IIT Madras has topped the list, and according to the QS ranking, QS University ranking, IIT Bombay has topped the list. Pi, it's an artificial intelligence based chatbot, has been launched by whom? So, an artificial intelligence based chatbot called Pi has been launched by the National Payment Corporation of India. So, the correct answer is NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, and it is launched to create awareness around NPCI products such as FASTags, RuPay, Unified Payment Interface (UPI) on the real-time basis. And Pi has been developed by the Bangalore-based startup called Co-Rovers Private Limited. So, here the correct answer is NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, who has launched Pi. And who is the MD and CEO of NPCI? That means Major Director and Chief Executive Officer. It's Dilip Asbe. So Dilip Asbe is the MD and CEO for the NPCI, National Payment Corporation of India, and it is founded in 2008, and headquarters you will find in Mumbai. And remember one, that means PI. PI stands for PAI, that stands for Personal Activity Intelligence. A calling application named as Catchup has been launched by which platforms? So correct answer is Facebook. So a calling application named Catchup has been launched by the social media major called Facebook. And basically it aims to coordinate the call timing with the friends and family members and will enable users to check availability of time with the group of up to 8 people with the help of this app Catchup. And the user will be able to indicate the availability to talk and call other users and will enable other users to do the same and choose a common times for the call. And the service of new platforms will work with the existing contact list, and users will be able to avail the service of this calling application with their existing Facebook account. So there should be a Facebook account also. And who is the CEO for this? It's Mark Zuckerberg, and headquarters you will find in California and USA. And Facebook has also launched something known as Pragati apps. Pragati for what? For women, and Goal initiative for the women, tribal women, source platforms for the connecting small retailers. So Facebook has launched many initiatives such as Pragati, Goal, Withing Digital, and source platforms in etc. Palm Shri awardee Mujtaba Hussain, who passed away recently, was a renowned what? So he was a writer. So Palm Shri awardee, he was a Urdu writer. Mujtaba Hussain has passed away recently, and he was born in Hyderabad, Telangana. And Hussain was described as the Mark Twain of Urdu. And he was awardee of Padma Shri, that means the fourth highest civilian award, and he was awarded in 2007.